66. Folly on the Bench. The last month of 1974 brought forth an amazing legal decision out of Miami, Florida. A 23-year-old woman, convicted of killing her husband by slashing his throat with a carving knife, was placed on probation by the judge and ordered to teach Sunday school for 5 years. A murderess as a Sunday school teacher? Perhaps we should not be surprised. With so many thieves as politicians and so many unbelievers as pastors and priests, why not a murderess teaching Sunday school? After all, sin is being made respectable today. At the same time as the Dade County Circuit Court judge was turning a murderess into a Sunday school teacher, the California State Auditor General reported that, of the 62 contracts issued during the year by the Department of Parks and Recreation, only 2 were issued with the competitive bidding required by law. His recommendation was that the law requiring him to review all such contracts be repealed. Apparently, he felt that review was futile. In one area after another, we are told that, because people are going to sin anyway, why not legalize sin? Why not indeed? Why not go all the way and legalize murder and all things else? We will then have a permissive society in totality. The fact remains, of course, that sin remains sin, and the sinner is an outlaw before God, and the society which builds on sin perishes, and, quote, "The soul that sinneth, it shall die," Ezekiel 18:4. The sinner isn't converted by being loved or made respectable. A murderess teaching Sunday school is a murderess still. Theft is still theft, even when successful. When crime remains unpunished, then society is punished, and the godly are penalized. When the sinner is both unpunished and unconverted, the society is converted into hell on earth. The Dade County judge said of the murderess, "The important thing is trying to reclaim her life by rehabilitation." Such high moral concern would be something other than hypocrisy, only if he had taken her into his own home to rehabilitate, instead of putting her at the head of a Sunday school class. Then it would only have been folly. Now it is both folly and hypocrisy.